Hey, what's up guys? So welcome to the Gardens community by KB Homes here in Inspirada. Now in this video, we are going to be touring their largest floor plan, which is the plan 2044. So don't go anywhere. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do with my channel is we go over all the new communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. So welcome to the Gardens at Inspirada by KB Homes. Now, today is July 13th, 2024, and we are going to be touring this community. Now, you've probably seen this community before if you've been watching some videos, but the reason why I'm covering it is because, you know, it's been a while since someone did a video on it, and I know prices have changed, but this community has been up for about 3+ years. Very popular community. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Inspirada, a beautiful master plan community, West Henderson, okay, so you're close to like the 15 freeway. You have a Costco close by. You have some good schools in the area. You're close to St. Rose. Bunch of parks, amenities. You have trails, pools. So definitely great for families and younger families. Okay. They have 5 floor plans that they offer here at the Gardens. I will have it on the screen for you. They're all 2-story homes ranging from 1558 square feet all the way up to 2044 square feet. Now, what makes this community different is the garage is going to be in the back of the homes. Okay. So they're not going to be located in the front with the front doors. But the base prices are going to range from $406,990 all the way up to $444,690. Now, when you see the base price, just know that the lot premium and upgrades are not included. So if you want to add in upgrades, the average buyer spends about 10% of the base price. For lot premiums, average lots here are about $11,000 for standard lots. If you're looking for corner lots, they could range from $19,000 to $25,000. Okay. Now with KB Homes, what they do is they don't do spec homes. They don't do quick move-in homes. They want you to pick out your lot, pick out your model, and pick out all your upgrades. So the build time is going to be about 6 to 8 months. Okay. As far as the HOA monthly, you're looking at $85 a month. Okay, which that's actually billed quarterly. So $255 a quarter. That's going to include all the amenities as well as the like the roof and the outside landscaping. Now they do have a LID assessment. So the LID is a local improvement district. So if you're unfamiliar what that is, here I will put, I did a short reel. I'll put it on the video so you guys can understand more what a LID is. But they charge every 6 months, they charge $224. Okay. Now you will pay this until the balance is paid off completely. So the balance is $3,700, which isn't too bad. There are some communities out there that charge SIDs or LIDs. I feel like the balance is a lot higher. But yeah, no, that's about it. And let's get started with this tour. Welcome to the plan 2044. Now, this is going to be the largest floor plans in the Gardens community. So this is a 2-story, 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3 baths, 2-car garage. Okay, and the base price as of today is $444,690. So out the door, I would say you're looking about $570, like higher 500s, $570, $590. That's after lot premiums and upgrades. Okay. So remember, with all the floor plans in the Gardens community, these single family homes, the way it's going to be is you're going to have like the garage in the back of the house. Okay. Now, again, you do have 5 different elevations you could choose from when building from dirt up. So this is just one of them. The landscaping in the front is included. Okay, so a nice little hangout area right here. Okay, so welcome in. So as soon as you walk in, you have this den space right here. Now, this is the only floor plan in the Gardens community which if you're looking to have a bedroom downstairs, you can upgrade this den into a bedroom downstairs and then have that be a full bath, okay? So I know that's important to many buyers. Okay, you got plenty of windows right over there to allow for some natural light. You got the upgraded railings, okay? Stairs that go to the second floor. To the right, you're gonna have your coat closet. And then see how much extra space we have here. Okay, so it cuts off to right about there. So you have some good room. Okay, so we got your thermostat. Now, here's the energy saving comparison. So KB, I mean, they're pretty efficient, energy efficient, like the materials they use when building the home. So, you know, and I've had a KB home as well, so I definitely agree. But I feel like for the most part, new construction homes in general, they, you know, they are more energy efficient compared to older ones. Oh, okay, so we do have the full bath right here. So you got the full bath, shower tub, combo. Okay, got the optional porch and the optional cabinets as well. Okay, you have the undermount sink. If you want to do undermount, that is optional. Otherwise, the standard will be the drop-in sinks. Okay. If you work remote, this would be a nice office. Or even if you don't work remote, I mean, this is just a nice office space in general. Okay, so open living room, kitchen. So we do have the kitchen tucked away over there. Okay, so we got the beautiful upgraded quartz countertop. Now remember with the appliances, with the kitchen, refrigerator won't be included, but you'll have like the dishwasher, oven, stovetop. Okay. Washer and dryer is also not included. Now, as far as the flooring goes, this is some beautiful flooring, but most buyers will upgrade flooring. They'll remove the carpet all throughout the first floor, and they'll either do something like this, they'll do something like the vinyl planks, or they'll just stick with the standard 17 by 17 ceramic tile that comes included in like the wet areas of the house, but they'll just extend it all throughout the first floor. So if you want to be more save some money with the upgrades, I mean, you could do that. You could just use the standard tile and have it go all throughout the first floor. So pretty decent sized pantry right here. We do have the optional 42-inch cabinets. Oh, okay, so this kitchen package actually, where you get the built-in oven, you used to be able to upgrade it to something like this, but I guess they don't offer that anymore. Okay, you also have the optional backsplash as well. Okay, so this is going to be your door to your garage. The door to the garages are always locked. That's just what they use for your office space and storage. Okay, so let's head upstairs. So this is what you see, you know, here in the landing. So high ceilings. Okay, so you have a nice little loft area. Got your primary bedroom. You got your primary bedroom down here. Okay, so you got your guest bedroom. To your right, your laundry room, which is close to the primary bedroom. All right, cool. But yeah, we'll start out over here. If you are thinking about buying a new construction, and I know, you know, some of you guys feel like that you want to check out the new construction community and just head over there by yourself. Do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. If you plan on visiting a new build community for your very first time, I'd be honored to help you out through the process. But if you're working with a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure your realtor goes with you, because if you go by yourself, the builder agent's going to ask for your information. Once they have it in the system and you're not with a realtor, they won't let you have representation down the road. And you definitely want representation, because new build agents look after the builder's best interest, but we look after your best interest. So definitely very important to get yourself some representation. Okay, so here's gonna full bath. Okay, dual sinks. Having the 2 sinks is optional. I think it just normally comes with 1. But this is your standard shower tub right here. And I know a lot of buyers ask too, because you do have the option to upgrade the first floor ceiling to 9 foot from 8 foot, but you can't do that on the second floor. Second floor is just 8 foot with no options. Okay. So here's the other bedroom. Now this is a full-size bed. Okay. Cool. So you got your standard closet in here. So you got washer and dryer. Again, guys, washer and dryer is not included. So welcome to the primary bedroom. Now right here, we have your good size walk-in closet. So king size bed, plenty of room. You have 4 windows in this room. Okay. Here's the view. Yeah, KB owns, I want to say they own most of the land out here in Inspirada. So this community that's been building for years now, but I think they're closing out. They should be closing out this community like next year. So welcome to the primary bath. So you do have your tub right there. Okay, dual sinks, a walk-in shower, and then you have your toilet room right here. All right, guys. Thanks for watching the tour on the 2044 floor plan. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you guys have any questions, curious to know what the incentives are, guys, reach out to me. But until then, I will catch you guys next video.